Okay, Lynn, let's do Unit 42, Lynn. And what is Unit 42 all about? Unit 42 is about?
About a phone.
Okay, good. It's about the phone. Now here, Lynn, what can you do with the phone, Lynn?
Mm,
What can we do with the phone, Lynn? We can?
check photo.
Okay, we can talk to someone. What else? What else, Lynn?
Play game.
Okay, playing games and about entertainment. So here, Lynn, what are the things that we can do with the phone? Please read. What is it, Lynn? Please read. Make phone calls. Again? Lynn, please read. Make phone calls.
Phone calls.
Next.
Send message.
Next.
Play game.
All right. Play games. Next.
Study.
Study. What else?
Draw.
Okay. Draw. What else?
Do not.
Do math and
Watch videos.
watch videos and
Listeners.
read news. Okay, that's it. Those are the things that we can do with our phone. Now here, Lynn, what's the name of your school, Lynn? Lynn, what's the name of your school?
Mm,
What's the
Middle
name of your
school.
school? Again?
It's middle school.
Okay, where is it, Lynn? Which part of Vietnam is it? Is it in Hanoi? In Ho Chi Minh? Where is it?
In
In, again?
Anna.
Okay, so that is where your school is. Now here, Lynn, what can you see? Write the words. For example, in the picture, you can see their names. Okay, friends. Okay, go, Lynn.
The champions.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
City, school, somehow, dress, that, table.
Okay, so we have here friends. We have city. Is it a city? It's a street, school, numbers, price, bag, table. Very good. So you just got one mistake. The street. Okay, careful. All right, so here, Lynn, let's do this one, Lynn. So in reading and writing part 4, you have to choose the correct word to write in the text. So you should look carefully at the pictures, plural pictures. If you can see more than one object person, its words will be plural. So you should practice recognizing the difference between singular and plural noun forms. Okay? So here it is also important that you know the irregular plural forms like fish, men, children. Okay, here we go. Lynn, please write the missing words.
Rachel Dennis.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
People take to their friends and family with it. You can take photo with it and play game with it too. It's very small and it has little and numbers on it. You can find it in a store in a street in front of Mr. Bean house. Some people post it on a table. Post Mr. Bean post this in more brown bag. Mr. Bean is a teacher at the Swiss school.
Okay, let's check now your answer. So we have here, first, people talk to their friends and family with it. You can take photos with it and play games with it too. It's a very small and it has letters and numbers on it. You can find it in the store, in the not in the chips lane, but in the street in front of Mrs. Bean's house. So some people put it on a table, correct? But Mrs. Bean puts it in her own bag, okay? Mrs. Bean is a teacher at Lucy's. Super. Okay, there you go, Lynn. You just got one mistake. Okay, so careful with that one mistake, Lynn. Okay, now here, Lynn, look at the picture. Look at there, Lynn. So the phone store is behind two children and in front of Mrs. Bean's house. Now here, Lynn, where does Mrs. Bean live? Where do you think? Look at the picture, Lynn. Where do you think? Look at here. Oh, the phone store is behind the two children and in front of Mrs. Bean's house. Now, Lynn, where does Mrs. Bean live? She lives where?
Mr. Bean
Okay, look at the house. Where do you think is the house of Mrs. Bean? It's in front of or at the back? Where is it? It's at the It's at the back of,
Which the
it's at the back of the store. Can you see it? This is the phone store, and here it's in front of Mrs. Bean's house. So if this is the phone store, then at the back is Mrs. Bean's house. Now here, what can you see in the picture, Lynn? What can you see in the picture? In the
I can
picture,
see
there are, I can see,
in the picture. I can see two rats, three dogs.
okay. Alright. Okay, so there you go. Okay, Lynn, listen, so we will just end here. So here in the picture, you can see people. How many people can you see in the picture? Lynn, how many
Yeah,
people can you see? I can see.
I can see five people.
Okay. Now here, how about what are the animals that we can see in the picture? What are the animals?
I can see shrubs and birds.
What else? Giraffes, birds. Only that? How many birds can you see, Lynn, in the picture?
Okay. In the picture, there are three birds.
Okay. And how many giraffes?
There are two shrubs.
Okay, there are 2 giraffes in the picture. Okay. So, Lynn, thank you for answering all my questions. So, Lynn, we will end there because it's already time. So, Lynn, I want to congratulate you with the job well done in the reading and writing activity. Your comprehension is really good. Very good, Lynn. You understand the given task and you were able to give good score in the activity. Goodbye for now, Lynn. See you next time, Lynn. Bye-bye.
That is just you again.
Yeah, see you again.